Hello guys, I am back here at SeaWorld. We missed a lot of the park the other day when we were here, and I want to check it out and ride some roller coasters. So come join us, won't you? So when we came here with Kristen and Lincoln, we went right and spent most of the time over that end of the park. Eventually we made it over here and spent pretty much the rest of the day at the front of this side of the park. Today we're headed to the far back left-hand side where we're going to spend most of the day. So we made it back to the far right corner of the park with Journey to Atlantis, the Kraken, and Antarctica. We'll be doing all of those hopefully today. I know Antarctica ride's not going, but we'll definitely stop and see the penguins because it's nice and cool in there. But yeah, we're going to hang out here for maybe an hour or so and then head over to Sea Lion Stadium to watch some sea lion shows. Well, let's start our day off with a coaster. Kraken Unleashed. Sounds good to me. I got the GoPro, so hopefully we'll get some good footage. We'll see. So here's the deal with the GoPro. I actually have it going through a connector from the wrist harness to the actual GoPro harness. We'll take this middle section out so it's just one-on-one, and I should be able to get rid of some of that wiggleness. At least that's the plan. I'm going to give it a try here on Kraken. So let's see how this works. I took out this little middle swivel section and just connected it one-on-one, like I said. Let's head back on Kraken and see if it works any better. Well, I think that went a little bit better that time with the GoPro footage. Probably good enough to put some in there. I do need to mess with it, still figure out what I'm doing wrong, because it's still really shaky. It's a work in progress. The plan was next to go on Atlantis back there, but it is down right now. So I think what I'm going to do is go over in front of me to Antarctica, cool down and see some penguins. Antarctica, land of ice and of coolness. Now, like I said earlier, I think the ride is not going, but you can still see the penguins. That's where I'm going to head now, in to see the penguins. Empire of the Penguins. Again, it was a fun ride, but it's closed because of the COVID. But we're going to go in and check out the exhibit.
Empire of the Penguin. In this frozen ridge of rock and snow, a gentle colony huddles together for warmth, community, and family. A few stay behind with this anxious young couple. It's late in the breeding season, and their egg is the last to hatch. But the storm is looming closer and closer. Time is running out for one little penguin named Puck. Seek shelter from the storm. There are many dangers in this beautiful and harsh land,
What you doing, guy? There's another one right up here. I love the penguins. I think you could go underneath and look at them from down below too. Hi. Hi. Oh, they glide so smooth. Some of these guys look like they're frozen in place. You got it? This guy right here, he looks like he's the man. He looks like he's in charge. He looks like the big boss man. And this guy over here, with the silly hair, he's like his little sidekick. That's what I think. Is it weird I'm making backstories for all the different penguins? Possibly. They're so graceful underwater. I mean, I can sit here all day and watch them. It's not as cold in this room. This is a perfect room to like penguin watch. Watch them dive in and out of the water, swim around. I may actually just hang out here for a little bit and do that. It's not super busy at all, and it's kind of cool. Kristen would love this right now. I took some pictures I'm going to send to her. Well, that was super fun, but now it's time to go look at some souvenirs. Typically the ones in each section are a little bit different than the ones you find at the main gift shop we found out. So you want to definitely check out every single gift shop that you come across, because there's things you'll find here that you won't find anywhere else. Well, after checking out the gift shop, I didn't buy anything, but I did go to Expedition Cafe just long enough to refill my drink and send Kristen some pictures, so now she's super jealous that I got to go see the penguins. I think now I'm going to head back to Journey of Atlantis, see if it's open. I'm not going to film on it, I'm just going to ride it because I love the ride so much. And I'll explain why over there. Then I'm going to start heading over to the Sea Lion area. Spend probably 3 hours there because there's a couple shows I want to watch. Yes, it is open and it is working. Journey to Atlantis. I love this ride. It is a perfect combination of a roller coaster, who everyone loves, a indoor ride, which everyone loves, and a water ride, which everyone loves. Put them all together, it's just awesome. Like I said, I'm not going to record it because I'm just going to enjoy it. I may enjoy it a couple times even. Yeah, I'm so excited to get to go on this. Afterwards, I'll take you into the aquarium and we'll check that stuff out. But first, let's ride. Oh, I cannot wait. Well, that was a fail. The ride went down a little bit after I got in line. I waited it out for about a half hour. They finally gave us all fast passes to come back later. Bummer, but at least I'll get to ride it eventually. Now I'm going to go over, after I stop at the restroom, to the Sea Lion Stadium. There's a couple shows I want to watch. So we'll see you there. Well, we made it into Sea Lion High Stadium. Same background as the old show, it's just a new show. It's called Sea Lion High, the new class. I'm excited to see what it's like. I love the original show. In fact, the original show that's on this channel is my best viewed video of all time. So yeah, hopefully this one's just as good. I hope it is. This is one of my favorite shows here.
Well, hello, new students! Yes. All right, well, with that out of the way, and without further ado, I'd now like to introduce to you our class president and valedictorian, Seamore! Amazing, Seamore! Outstanding! Now, Seamore, I understand you're well prepared for today's big test. Now, listen to me. You need to run off back that way and go ahead and get ready to do some more studying. Oh, Neutron and Clyde, you made it just in time. Hey, Principal Twindy, Clyde and Neutron, present! Now tell me, right. Oh, Principal Twibby, that's easy. Clyde and I were in the back making TikTok videos. For everybody, yeah. TikTok. The only thing I know that goes TikTok is my watch, and I don't even own a watch. You two quit goofing around and get off to gym class. Hurry up, run along. Come on, Clyde. Chop, chop. I'll just have Clyde and then Seamore come out. They'll do some high jumping, some fast swimming, and then end with swag. We're with Seamore. You're up first, and go! All right, Seamore. Excellent. Amazing. Look at him go, folks. Our star athlete. Look at the circles he can turn. Woo! He can go all the way under the ledge. It's amazing. Holding his breath. Wow. I told you he was amazing, folks. In fact, he's the captain of our swim team. Just can't get this boy out of the pool, that's for sure. Seamore! Seamore, you're a really good swimmer. We can see that now. Listen. If you're swimming a little too much, the sequence is only supposed to be 40 seconds long. We're already in a minute and a half or so. All right. Well, how's everybody doing? Thank you. You're getting a first-hand look at what happens when the sea lions decide they want to come out and do what they want to do. In the business, we call this an animal control situation. See, the animals are in control. That's right. You said that. That's right. All right. Clyde, buddy. Are we going to continue on with the show, or are we going to watch you swim for many minutes? I think he likes all you guys watching him. I think he's having fun. Yeah, this is great. I'm having a blast. I don't know about you guys. This is the highlight of my day, folks. I love this. All right, well, that didn't work. We'll see if Clyde decides to come up and join me. You ready to go up? All right, very good. Come on with me. We're going to go on with the show. Thank you very much for your patience and understanding.
Whoa, hey! That is not considered social distancing. No. All right, Clyde. Come on. Good job, buddy. But we did not find any answers. And we've got some for Principal Twimby. You've got to find those so Blair can't cheat on the test. I mean, you don't want her going to college with us. So you and I need to come up with a plan. Where are you going? Oh, 2-in-1 show. You can tell we trained a lot during quarantine, huh? You know what? At this point, we're going to go with it. Great idea, Clyde. Let's split up. You go that way, and I'm going to go over here and look for a different job. Oh, and there's a hole back here. All right. I'm just going to roll my sleeve up, reach back in here, see what I can find. Oh, I think I feel something right about here, and I... Oh, no. I forgot to roll out my sleeve. You know what's funny? Things that don't happen in Disney. But look, everybody, we found the answers!
Well done, Neutron. You did it. You're both heroes, you and Clyde. Blair, on the other hand, no, I don't think so. See, you're gonna be joining me again next year for your 14th year of high school because you failed. So what do you guys say? Let's have a party! Hit it!
Face covering relaxation zone. Yes, please. Well, that was a cute show, and I'm really enjoying taking my mask off for a little bit. I'm going to hang out here for a little bit, then go back to Point Preserve to look at some of the sea lions themselves. And about a half hour from now, I got to go back into Sea Lion and Otter Stadium for the Sea Lion Tonight show. I won't record all of that because I've already done that, but yeah, I enjoyed that show, especially the fact that the sea lions do whatever they want, whenever they want, and the cast has to adapt. Sometimes they can't even go on. But it is what it is. It's a live show, and animals are allowed to do whatever the animals want to do. So yeah, enjoyed that tremendously. Okay, I'm gonna relax for a little bit, let this charge, the camera that is, and then go see some sea lions. Point Preserve. Let's go check out some sea lions and some seals. I heard there's a lot of babies here this time of year. Over 10 of them, so hopefully we'll see some. It's the sea lions and seals. I do see some babies. There's some curled up in balls over there. And wow, you're vocal. There's one laying with, I'm going to assume it's mother over there. Noisy group. Super noisy. Everyone wants your attention. Everyone wants your attention. I love how they just kind of crawl along. Well, just like that, 20 minutes or so at Point Preserve, and right back into the stadium to watch sea lions tonight. Like I said, I'm not going to record this for two reasons. One, I already have. You've probably already seen it in another vlog years ago. Maybe I'll repost that. I don't know yet. And two, I really want this camera to charge for tonight. For Ignite, the fireworks are much, much better, and I'd rather record those. Well, that was a good time. I enjoyed that. Now what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to shoot back over to Atlantis, see if I can get back on that, use my fast pass, do that. I won't record that. Then probably go grab dinner. So I will see you at Atlantis.